Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to download Twitter on your iPhone. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. As I'm using iPhone device, let's go to App Store. If you are Android device user, then you can go to the Play Store. Here in search bar, search Twitter. Now here on the first you will see X icon application. Don't worry, this is the logo that has been changed. So this is Twitter logo that has been changed to X logo. So you need to download this one. Tap on get button. Now double click to install on your right hand side button of your iPhone device. Once you are done, it will ask you to install. Tap on install button and now enter your password of your phone. And then click on sign in button. Now it starts downloading. Wait for a minute. Now you can see that your Twitter app has been successfully downloaded. Here, in order to open Twitter app, click on open button and you have successfully downloaded Twitter app on your device. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.